Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our 7th chapter of literature book. It is a poem, The Children's Song, written by Joseph Rudyard Kipling. Before starting the chapter, let us know something about the author. Joseph Rudyard Kipling was born in 1865 and died in 1936. He was born in India and educated in England, where he became one of the leading writers of his time. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1907, and he has since charmed generations of children and adults with his enchanting stories and poems. Author of the unforgettable The Jungle Book, he also wrote about colonial India and 19th century England and America. Now let us discuss the pre-reading task. Prepare a list of the qualities or virtues that you think an individual must possess. According to me, an individual must have the following qualities like loving, caring, responsible, fearless, brave, having love for motherland, affection, honesty, kindness. These are the virtues or qualities that an individual must possess. Next is discuss with your friends and make a list of the duties and responsibilities that you have towards your motherland. We all have some duties or responsibilities towards our motherland, like we should protect our motherland from enemies, we should serve our motherland in our best ways, we should be patriotic, we should never cheat our motherland, we should always love our motherland. Now let us discuss the summary of the poem. The Children's Song is a poem composed by Joseph Rudyard Kipling. In this poem, the children pledge to serve their motherland when they will grow up. They ask for the strength from God to serve their motherland. They pledge that when they grow up, they will love people and their motherland. Children urge God to bless them with strength and help them to make their country a pure and pious place. Further, they urge God to teach them to bear responsibilities and wish to become strong with the qualities of truth and firmness because the nations live on these qualities. They want courage from God so that they could not hesitate to do any sacrifice for the sake of their motherland. They want to live without fear and meet their goals with the true actions judged by God. They wish for the strength to help the people who are in pain and no action to hurt the weak. They also wish to learn to forgive people for their misdeeds and to love all the people who live under the same sun and sky. They urge God to teach them to be happy in small things and not to have bitterness with any person. Lastly, they pledge that they would serve their motherland, which is the land of their birth, faith, and pride, for which their ancestors have sacrificed their lives through the coming years with their head, heart, and hand. That's all about the poem. Thank you.